this one is for you. Our next devoted event is happening on Saturday, the 6th of March, and you're invited. And you can also invite a friend along, so do spread the word a little bit. But we're going to have pizza, games, and lots of fun here. So you can book in for this via Church Suite or our website, and it's only £8. So make sure that you come along, get yourself booked in, and why not invite a friend too? But ladies, it's just for us lot, so it's going to be fun.
We've not been given a spirit of fear, but of power and a sound.
Fancy a spot of gardening? Well, we've got a little bit of a gardening club growing here at Exile Church, so if you're interested in volunteering to help out the community with gardening, then get in touch with Tom Morgan and he'll have some more information of some events that are coming up that you can be a part of.
We've not been given a spirit of fear. We are children of the Most High. We've not.
Guys, we have got a marriage prep course happening here at Exile Church for those that are getting married. So if you know someone or you yourself are going to be getting married in the near future, then why not come along to this course? It's going to be happening in March on 2 Saturdays, on the 19th and 26th, from around 3 till 7 p.m. in the afternoon. So you can join for that course if you're getting married in the near future, but you must book online or just get in touch with us if you'd like a bit more information. Church, this year we're going to be trying to do some more events for men specifically to connect you guys together, and so your first event's going to be happening this month on the 26th of February at the Halfpenny Green Golf Club. So it's actually foot golf. Have you ever heard of it? Me neither. But you're going to be doing that. It's only £10 per person. You can pay on the day, but just let us know if you want to come and sign up on Church Suite, or just let us know by messaging in the group chat for men. But if you're not in then, you want to get connected, just call our office, let us know, and we'll get you connected in. For those of you who are booked in for Strengthful Rise in the summer, this is just a little friendly reminder that your payments will be due on the 6th of March. And I can tell you exclusively, there are a few spaces available if you haven't yet booked on. So if you are interested in still coming, just get in touch with us and let us know. And if you have any problems with these final payments that are due on the 6th of March, just give us a call and we'd love to chat with you. The Accelerate course is going to be happening at Exile Church in March, and it's a 4-part series which is going to be happening on every Monday night in the evening in March. But this is a course designed for you to figure out how you can best serve in the body of Christ. It goes for your personality, your giftings, and it gives you all you need to know about you and where you can fit into the body of Christ serving. So it's ideal for new Christians, but honestly, it's for anybody to do. So if you're a Christian and you'd like to do it, then get in touch with us and you can sign up for that course on our website or on Church Suite. So don't forget, this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And if you'd like any more information about things happening here at Exile Church, then head to our website or get us on social media. Have a great week.